Okay, looking at number 3. Sorry, not number, well, it is number 3, and it's on page 3. So we're looking at page 3. A scientist had a bottle that contained 56.6 milliliters of a solution. She used 3.2 milliliters of the solution for an experiment. Then she poured half the solution remaining in the bottle into a beaker. Finally, she poured 6 milliliters of the solution remaining in the bottle into the test tube. How many milliliters of solution remained in the bottle? Lots of words. Okay, it starts out with this much. So this is my starting number. Then it says she used. What does that mean? I'm going to be subtracting. Then it says she poured half the solution remaining. Okay, so half of the remaining solution, which I don't know what that is yet because I haven't started. Then it says she poured 6 milliliters. So pouring 6 means minus 6. And then how much was left over? Okay, so I can start with 56.6, taking away 3.2. I am lining up decimals. That's the only way I can make sure that my place values are lined up. 654, bring down my decimal. 6 minus 3 is 3. I'm at 53.4 milliliters, so I've done that. Then it says half of the remaining solution. So I need to find what half of this is. 53.4 divided by 2. And I could probably estimate on this one also. 2 into 5 is twice. That's a 4. 2 into 13 is 6 times. I take my decimal up into my answer. And then bring down my 4. 2 into 4 is 7 times. This is what I have so far. Then it says I poured 6 milliliters out of that. That's easy. 26.7 minus 6 leaves me with 20.7 milliliters. Answer D. Now this question you've seen before. This one says at a restaurant 42 people had breakfast on Saturday morning. A seventh of the people ate eggs only. 2/3 of the people ate both pancakes and eggs, and then the remaining people ate pancakes only. Which fraction represents the number of people who ate pancakes? So 42 people is my total. A seventh had eggs. 2/3 had both pancakes and eggs, and then the remaining ate pancakes only. What fraction represents the ones that ate pancakes only? Pretty sure this was a DCA question. However, 2 ways of doing it. Because it uses the word of, and of means multiply, I can take 42 and multiply by a seventh, and then 42 and multiply by 2/3. I'm going to choose to add these together first. So 1/7 plus 2/3. Well, in order to do that, I need a common denominator. I'm going to use 21 as my common denominator. 7 times 3, so 3 times 1. 3 times 7, so 2 times 7, which is 14. I am adding them. Now, why am I adding? So that I can figure out how many didn't have the pancakes. 14, 15, 16, 17, out of 21, 8 eggs, or both pancakes and eggs. This is not what I want, but of course it's an answer choice. What I want is what's left over. And actually, of my 42, ooh, what can I do? Okay, so 17, this is even easier. If 17 of my 21 had something other than, what's the complement of it? Like, my question would be, 17 plus what gives me 21? 4. This together with my 4 here would give me 21 out of 21 people. So this right here is my fraction of the ones that ate pancakes only. See how I got that? This is the people who had eggs, oops, and both pancakes and eggs. That's 17 out of 21. Well, there's only 4 people left over to get you to the full. Letter A is my answer choice.